In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and format bulleted lists with keyboard shortcuts. By the end, you'll be able to start a clean bullet list, add new lines without accidentally sending your message, create nested sub-bullets, and move items back out to the main level, all without touching the mouse. Let's begin with your very first bullet. Place your cursor at the start of a new line and type an asterisk followed by a space. That space is important. In most editors and chat boxes, the asterisk plus a space is the trigger that turns your text into a proper bullet. You'll usually see the asterisk transform into a solid bullet as soon as you press the spacebar. Now just type your first list item as you normally would. If it doesn't convert automatically, double check that the asterisk is the first character on the line and that you included the space right after it. When you're ready to move to the next line without sending your message, hold Shift and press Enter. This keyboard combination inserts a line break while keeping you in the same message or paragraph. It's especially useful in chat tools that use Enter to send. You'll see your cursor drop to the next line, giving you room to continue your list. From here, you can type another asterisk and space to create another bullet, or use indentation if you want a sub-bullet. To indent a bullet and create a nested level, press the Tab key at the start of the line. You'll see the bullet shift to the right, and the editor will switch it to the next level of indentation automatically. This is perfect for adding details, examples, or steps under a main point. A quick tip: make sure your cursor is at the beginning of the bullet line before pressing Tab, so the indentation applies to the bullet itself and not just the text. If you've indented too far or you need to move a bullet back to a higher level in the list, press Shift plus Tab. This outdents the bullet one level to the left, restoring it to the previous hierarchy. You can press Shift plus Tab multiple times if needed, each press moving the bullet one level outward. That's it. Remember, asterisk plus space to start, Shift plus Enter to add lines without sending, Tab to indent, and Shift plus Tab to outdent. With these simple shortcuts, you can build clear, well-structured bullet lists quickly and confidently.